medication. Your medication makes me high. Just be patient. I'm like a patient trying to find levitation. Run your fingers down my spine. Elevation. Your medication makes me high.
I fell in love with that sativa. Where you been? Nice to meet you. Headed to so long to reach you. Obsessed with your features. You got all different flavors. You got that loud B speakers. Your best friend Keisha know how to knock 'em out their sneakers. Like that Louis 13, but she nothing like my ex though. She remind me of gelato. Got me drinking out the bottle. She called me swerving on this shawty. Her name was Indica. I tried to tell her I was sorry. She said that's the end of us. But I can't ever keep on rolling up. Medication keep me going up. Meditation, come on, breathe with us. No ventilation, keep the windows up. Oh.
Medication.
I just love it.
Your medication makes me high. Just be patient. I'm like a patient trying to find levitation. Run your fingers down my spine. Elevation. Your medication makes me high.
Such a short way up and such a long way down. And this is a bubble like where they are right down. The way you're something off it off your way by pound. In a fields of marijuana, that is my playground. I love you, Mary Jane. You're the prettiest of flowers, girl, me can't complain. When I'm with you, I feel so high, I rise above the rain. And you know the people damage like that bitch cocaine. No, I leave them lonely, feeling only pain. Cause your DNA is of the highest strain. Your effect is so potent, it's so insane. You so gummy and sticky like a plaster stain. When you grind out your body, only stems remain. And to love you is so risky, I might get detained. You always keep me flying on the highest plane. And anybody know will always proclaim.
Medication.
I just love it.
Your medication makes me high. Just be patient.
Know me?
I'm like a patient trying to find levitation.
Natural.
Run your fingers down my spine. Elevation.
Yeah.
Your medication makes me high.
You so fair. The only thing I think of when I need to unwind. See, I've been going crazy cause you've been on my mind. And some think it's wrong, but to me it's not a crime. You can take me places, just look at their faces. Plus you're so good that some don't know what your taste is. Dealing with you complex, nothing about you basic. You the real deal, I can never fake it. I fell in love with the indica. Ever since I was young, I've been into ya. Even when you're almost done, don't want finish ya. It don't matter where you at, I'ma pick you up. Yeah, I'ma pick you up. And we in for a good night. I'ma wrap you up real tight. And if things get dark, I'll give you a light. Keep you with me, you've been on my mind all night. Cause you my
Medication.